on.
This is all homeowners,
Yeah.
all this area down here and here. This is our holiday side, this is what we cater for. This is all camping, that's our little holiday village, and that's our pods, and then we have a marina there.
Cool. And what about all the facilities on site? It's all fairground and stuff.
Yeah.
Is that available to members of the public, or is it just for holiday
Yes.
members?
We have a swimming pool in here, that's ours, and we have a fun fair over there.
No.
So anybody that lives local, would they be able to use that?
No, nothing at the moment.
And what would that cost?
Just £5 for the car, and then whatever is just by the fun fair, as it's a third party, it's not to do with us.
Oh right, okay.
So the charges are
you
all
want it
different
warm,
and
but not
applicable,
too
you
warm,
know, just over there.
Yeah, perfect. Oh,
Exactly.
So security let me in to just have a quick look around, which was nice of them, didn't charge me. I thought it was a £5 for cars to get in, but apparently if you're on a bike, they just let you in. So the venue, that's restaurant I assume. And there's also a big swimming pool there. I'm not going to zoom in too far because there might be kiddies in there. It's a little children's play area. That's the outside seating. Looks very nice actually. Looks pretty well kept. And over this side, there's a big lake. Loads of ducks pooing everywhere, no doubt. Which is great. I want to sit on there and have a picnic. But yeah, it all looks pretty good. I'm going to continue driving around, have a look. There is a fun fair over there. When we get the drone up, you'll be able to see that a little bit better. But for now, we'll just have a look from there. Looks like a waltzer. There's a big wheel that we saw a little while ago. Little children's rides. Well, looks pretty cool actually. But we'll carry on driving around and have another look. So it says Aquapark Billing, but everything seems to be closed up, and that's really the only boat that I can see. The lake looks a little bit, well, nasty, to be fair. But you can see a little bit more of the sun. There's a fun fair over there. Not much of it. A lot of birds on that lake. And look at that. There's a cormorant there. And he's huge. I had no idea they were that big. Ah, there he is. So yeah, look. I don't know quite what he's doing. He seems to be wiggling his chops around for some reason. But he's massive. But yeah, as for the aquapark, can't quite see. I certainly wouldn't want to be swimming in that water. Unless they clean it out for the summer holidays or something. I'm assuming the summer holidays is going to be their busiest time. But for now, it just doesn't look too great, to be perfectly honest. Yeah, there you go. It actually says on that sign there, no swimming. So if you're in the aquapark and you fall in, perhaps you've just got to drown. Who knows? But this is an alcohol-free zone, as it says there. And then the sign says, caution, walkways and grass slippery when wet. And aquapark participants only beyond this point. So there you go. But as for the aquapark itself, can't really see very much. So there is a shop over there, a Nisa local. I wonder if it's local prices or whether they bump the price up because you're on a holiday camp. I'm not going to go in and have a look because, to be fair, I just can't be bothered. It's too hot today, it's 30 degrees. Donuts. So that's the crazy golf over there, Shark Island. Again, we'll have a look with the drone, see what we can see how good it is. That's the ground view anyway. Again, look at that pond. Ugh, you certainly wouldn't want to be swimming in that, would you? That is a hell of a lot of algae. So here's one of them little pods. What are they, 5, 6 metres long? 7 metres long, I suppose. Can't see much inside, there's a bed. Probably a bathroom at the back. That's it. Not much in there at all. Them ones there are even smaller. Don't know if I'd want to stay in one of them for very long. Shower block. And there's another one just there. Brick built one, probably male and female toilets and showers, and then there's an even bigger one down there. Same sort of thing, I suppose. I don't know how many people could stay here. Quite a few thousand, I should imagine.